Hi, I'm Phil Riley and I've got 5 tips for anybody new to photography who wants to get the most out of the camera and get straight out there taking fantastic images right away. Tip number 1 is to learn to hold the camera properly. Might seem like a really simple thing, but learning to hold one of these properly is going to get you better pictures. What you've got to do is learn to make yourself into a kind of tripod. Get your elbows and stick them in here into your chest, and then this hand comes underneath, supports the lens. That's free to do focusing and zooming. This hand sits here, supports the lateral weight. The camera's not going anywhere. Steady as a rock. Tip number 2 is make sure your photograph is pin sharp. We've all seen news reports on the TV where there were 2 people on screen and they're slightly soft because the autofocus is shot right in between them and he's picking up the building behind. Make sure that doesn't happen to you. Focus lock on the one person and then move the frame over. Tip number 3 is be prepared to break the rules. You know, lots of people find tips and techniques really helpful when they're starting their photographic journey. Tips like the rule of thirds. It helps with composition. So learn the rules if they help you, but don't be afraid to break them if it helps you make a better picture. Now, number 4 is a very serious tip. Don't be a gear nerd!
Oh hi, yeah, I just bought a Richitron Super Z 550 SE 300 TZ. It's a Star B2 lens, yeah, 348,100 megapixels.
Don't be that person. Go out and enjoy whatever you've got, whether that's an iPhone, a compact, a mirrorless, or a DSLR. But always remember, it's about the photographs. And tip number 5 is really important. Use your eyes to find the pictures. Don't go around with your camera hunting, looking to see if anything looks any good in the viewfinder. Use your eyes. I hope you enjoyed those tips. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to get notification first of new posts, and please leave me a comment. I love to hear from you. If there's anything you'd like covered, let me know.